What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today, come on, stupid dogs, but today, you know, we got the new OBS here. I'm gonna focus. I got these metal floorboards on here from 22 Off-Road. God's saying it's not gonna focus. And I don't like I was saying, I don't like how they, I don't know, it's just there's too much space. Like, this tire don't fill the wheel up completely. And it's because they're pushed this way kind of more than stock. So I'm gonna be trading one of my buddies these and $200 for some stock. These for stock ones plus $200. But it'll kind of, I don't know, just fit these 28s better because I don't know who decided to get a 3-inch stretch in aftermarket floorboards with just 28s. But if I had some 33s, it'd probably go better. But take these off, then I'll pick our guys up when we're headed that way. It's literally 5 minutes that way. It's not far at all. Got the floorboards off on both sides. I've been trying to find like a stock exhaust to throw on here. So finally got a stock exhaust right here. Got it from the actual same dude. Instead of adding cash, he just threw that stock exhaust in, which I'm fine with. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that on there or I'm gonna wait and do that tomorrow, but definitely gonna put them on right now. So let's go ahead and start throwing them on. They shouldn't be too bad. Alright, y'all, so I think it's actually the next day since I can't remember the last time since I think it was yesterday that I filmed all this stuff, but yeah, it was. We have the, if I can focus, we have the floorboards on. We got the stock exhaust line right there. And my dad was on his way home. He picked up the side plastic from the dude. We have this other floorboard on. Right now, I have this snorkel bracket off because I was rebending it because it's kind of bent weirdly. I had black spray paint, but I don't know where it went, so. And we got these front pod lights off. I do have some other stuff on the way. I have rock lights, a grill, and what else? Axles, because I freaking broke this front axle. Broke that the other day. I don't even know how. But, no, I got that stuff on the way. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I don't think so. But, oh yeah, I think I'm going to take this winch off and sell it, because I don't want to just drop in the water in the first hole, just ruin the winch, because it's not waterproof. So I think I'm going to take that off and sell it. I'd rather sell it than ruin it and not be able to use it. And I'll probably eventually get a tiger tail to throw on back here. But yeah, not 1,000% sure if I'm going to be putting exhaust on in this video or not. Just depends how long it comes out to be. But yeah, I'm trying to think of anything else. I do have some switches coming for the handlebars too for rock lights. So they'll go up here, rock lights, and whatever else. I have 16 rock lights coming and I already have 3. The ones that are on here, the white is like a purple. See? The white's like a purple. I don't know if the camera picks it up good, but I don't like it. But, oh yeah, and I do need to run these vent lines right here. They fell. I need to run them back, and I need to center the snorkel back. That's not going to be this video. I'm going to have to do that. Plan on go to Zona, not this weekend, but next. So that's going to have to be after that. Yeah, I think that's all. So I'll pick our guys up when the parts come in, then, or if I start deciding want to do this exhaust. So I'll just roll to the next clip of what I'm doing, because I'm not 1,000% what it's going to be. All right, y'all. A few days later, I think I might even have the same shirt on. It's washed, but got this bumper on. Or this grill looks so much better with that grill on. We got the vent lines ran. Not sure if I told y'all this stuff already, but vent lines ran, snorkel bracket done, and we do have this stock exhaust on. And we do got her leaning just a hair. I just didn't like, it kind of looked like it was like nose diving, so I didn't like that, so I took that rear lift off, but this bumper looks so much better. So yeah, let's go ahead and hit her into a monetize on new stuff.
Once again.
But yeah, that's really it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. Got all our stuff on. We got some more stuff coming for it. I don't know if y'all can see that box right there. Them boxes over there. I'll probably be in a few videos down in the next video. I'm not sure how what the lineup's gonna be of the videos, but yeah. Hope y'all guys enjoyed this one. Make sure to like, subscribe, go down in the comments, look at all the sponsors, go check them out. So yeah, I'll see y'all guys on the next one.